the many times it happens that you feel you are not progressing, okay, and you feel you are not doing this to required to be done. Sometimes it happens over the journey, and that feeling itself indicates that your subconscious mind is now pushing you, go back to safe mode, go back to safe mode, go back to safe mode. It is pushing you, go back to safe mode. What are you doing? This is not right. Safe is what is safe. What is known is safe. If you have come to Pune 10 times, then coming to Pune is safe. If you are going first time to Chennai, you will feel unsafe. So you will ask 10 people, you will take Google everything. If you are going out of India first time, so whatever is known is safe, and what is known to subconscious mind is more safe. So when you are getting a feeling that you are not doing, you are not progressing, and you are not up to the mark, you are taking too much of time, all these feelings are nothing but your subconscious mind is pushing you to go back to the safe mode. Now, here is what the make or break happens. You get this feeling and you get busy in your activity. Then again you get this feeling and again you get busy into other activities. Again you get feeling and again you get busy. What happens is now you are strengthening your subconscious mind because you are not doing anything of that feeling. So the key is the moment you get that feeling, do something about it. Even a small activity, even if a 2 seconds activity, even a 5 minutes activity of whatever you are intending to do, you should do that so that the new pathway starts getting created. And this is where the make and break happens. This is where maximum people quit of what they have started. Or when you get this feeling, go to the first question: why did you started this course first? Why did you attend this course first? Which will again motivate you to overcome that feeling. So when that feeling arises, not doing any action is the strengthening of your subconscious mind to go back to your safe mode. When that feeling arises, you think, you do something, you think something, act something on that, so that the feeling starts getting liquidated. So next time it will come with a less intensity. But if you don't do anything, it will come with a higher intensity.
Excellent.
Okay. So getting a guilt feeling, you should be happy that your subconscious mind is pushing, okay, come beta, I will see it to you. And then you play with it. Because that is a moment where you can get a major breakthrough.
Question.
Yeah, Vijay.
The question was this. You said you get a feeling. What feeling? Negative feeling that don't do it. That time you have to act for 2 to 3 seconds.
Okay. So yeah, I will put a context. For example, let's take an example of I have to go to live. I have to go live on Facebook on Sunday. I have never done that in my life, and that is one of the reason in few 2-3 years back I was postponing things. I was not doing anything, so I was just trying to kill the time. So ठीक है, बाद में देखेंगे कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. But then there was a mastermind, 4 people were there. I told this is what I have to do. You also have to come. And then I also posted on the Facebook group. So I was postponing it, and then there was feeling ki Ravi, you are not doing it. You know, last 1 week you have not done any part of it. And I was getting into, seriously, इसमें कुछ पैसा दम नहीं है. Should I go back to job? Now my subconscious mind started to think, you should go back to job. There are so many efforts. Who is going to hear you? See, you have done the so much thing, but only there are few people. The subconscious mind started giving me lot of things
not to do it.
which can push back me to safe mode. My safe mode is job. Simple, because I've been doing that for 20 years. Who is doing a business for 20 years, his safe mode is doing business, taking risk. If you put him in job, he will get a different feeling. क्या कर रहे हो तुम job में? You are not your own boss. See, he is telling you, you have to work for him. So that feeling when it came, I did an act. What
Like?
I did, I first uploaded a video on group. Okay, I'm not doing great. That video is still on the Facebook group. I'm not doing great. I have not done much thing, but then I know I will do something about this. So when I did this, I did an action that I accepted I'm not doing. So I was not accepting in the first place.
Okay.
So I accepted that I am not doing anything, and then I took the website page, and then in 6 hours I uploaded the website page. That's it. So committed, uploaded Facebook. So the moment uploaded, now it become my responsibility, accountability started. अरे अभी लोग आ रहे कि नहीं आ रहे, अभी हो रहा कि नहीं हो रहा. So what is that? That is how I pushed myself in that part. So the important thing is, whenever you get that feeling of guilt that you are not doing and I am supposed to do part of it, do something about it. That is the most important, and this is where the make and break happens. And if you live with that for 3-4 weeks, then you will more or less get comfortable, and your subconscious mind will take, ठीक है, मैं जाके सुनता तो हूँ, I am listening, I am doing something, so at least I have lot of things part of it. But then you will not still get the disadvantage. So that is a make and break thing which normally happens. So that is extremely important part to remember. So do something. Even if one push-up is okay, one push-up is okay. One Surya Namaskar is okay, one Surya Namaskar. But some actions should happen so that when that again the feeling comes, it doesn't have the same intensity. That's it.